Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. The HP Spectre X360 14 is the pinnacle of ultra-thin convertible laptops. This device features top-tier hardware that provides great performance for both works and plays. But this laptop's impressive power and gorgeous design come at a high price. The Spectre X360 is available in 3 colors like silver, black, and navy blue. It brings a touch of sophisticated style that perfectly complements its internal components. This device is more than fast enough for most of your tasks in real-world use. The Spectre X360 14 ships with a leather carrying case and HP Tilt Pen. The included protective case protects your hefty investment from flexing and scratches. Also, the included rechargeable Tilt Pen looks and feels like a high-quality traditional ink pen. The Spectre X360 14's entry-level models of this 2-in-1 laptop start at $1,300. If you're willing to spend a bit more to get a quality laptop that will serve you well for years to come. If you want to buy the best of the best, no matter the cost, the Spectre X360 is an excellent option. So let's dig into the details and find out whether Spectre X360 is worth your money. HP Spectre X360 14 laptop. HP Spectre X360 packs the fastest components in the smallest chassis. The 14-inch Spectre X360 feels surprising light as soon removed from the box. Also, HP went with clean aesthetics and minimal branding. Despite being lightweight, HP's laptops are usually reasonably durable. What else does one need? The speed, portability, and endurance at a competitive price. Are you in the market for a laptop that packs serious power without a hefty price tag? Then the HP Spectre X360 could be the perfect device for you. Design. The design of Spectre X360 is impressive when it comes to user interface and build quality. It has an aluminum body that keeps weight down while still being sturdy. The fit and finish of the chassis are good, and there isn't a lot of flex around the palm rest area. The lid does have a bit of flex, but the screen doesn't warp when light pressure is applied. The laptop weighs just under 3 pounds, and packs a 14-inch screen into an 11-inch case. The Spectre X360 measures just 0.67 inches thin, and is not too heavy. It's the perfect size laptop for throwing in your bag, and comfortable enough to carry around. The 2 hinges allow you to use it differently, including the tent and tablet modes. The 180-degree hinges feel sturdy and solid while folding the laptop into different modes. It's quiet during basic tasks, but the cooling fan begins to spin when it's engaged in the heavier task. This feels like a high-end device, and the build quality backs up the design. Display. The Spectre X360 14 is a compact work machine with a gorgeous display. It's equipped with a 13.5-inch OLED, multi-touch-enabled display. You can create the best content with 3000 by 2000 resolution. Its square 3:2 aspect display gives an expansive view of text and web pages. The OLED panel is very bright at 400 nits and offers a good color gamut. The colors looked accurate, and the screen offers 100% sRGB support. The screen has small bezels with a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. You get a matte coating on display that does an excellent job of reducing glare and reflections. The text and icons look easy on the eyes, and there is joy in watching movies on display. If you're a digital artist, you may want to go with an OLED touchscreen for enhanced color and detail. It comes with a Gorilla Glass for durability when using touch controls. So you won't have to worry about damaging your screen when you swipe, write, or tap. Performance. The Spectre X360 14 brings the best of both, when it comes to power and portability. It is powered by the 11th Gen Core i7-1165G7 CPU, which provides responsive and powerful performance. The Spectre X360 is one of the lightest laptops, and you can buy it with 4 cores and 8 threads. The 16 GB of RAM is enough for running multiple software, and a ton of browser tabs simultaneously. There is a 1 TB of SSD, and they can be faster and more reliable in the longer run. It is also paired with an IRSC integrated GPU, with the fastest dedicated VRAM. This hardware combination should run professional photo and video editing tools smoothly. It provides solid performance for everyday tasks like browsing, editing, and streaming content. It quickly loads web pages, and lets you run heavy software without affecting the performance. Intel's IRSC integrated GPU did a decent job with gaming, but keep your expectations low. The Spectre X360 doesn't ever get too warm to the touch during regular office work. The fans stay pretty quiet, which is excellent for those who work in an office or share a workspace with others. Its fantastic performance and good value make it a standout among its competitors. Keyboard. Generally, HP's Spectre range has the best keyboard on laptops. The chiclet-style keyboard has an ultra-low profile that feels great to type on. The good-sized keys are well-spaced, and there is decent key travel. The keyboard had decent feedback while typing, and the key design is excellent. It has 2 levels of backlighting, to make it easy to type in almost any setting. You can turn off the backlight for bright rooms, or when it would be a distraction, like in a meeting. The fingerprint reader lets you skip the password, and works well for logging into Windows. The keyboard is perfect for everyday use, and it's delightful for the price. TouchPad. Below the keyboard, you get a large touchpad that feels natural to use. It provides a smooth surface, making it significantly more accessible for the fingers to glide on. The smooth trackpad allows for pinch zoom, and quick scrolling. Both the keyboard and touchpad of Spectre X360 work perfectly fine. Connectivity. There's still enough room for a decent port selection, despite a relatively slim build. You get a USB Type-A port, and a magnet to attach the pen on the left side. The right side of the laptop houses 2 USB Type-C ports, a headphone jack and an SD card reader. The USB Type-C port supports data transfers and power charging. The Spectre X360 has the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 wireless connectivity. Battery. It is equipped with a 4-cell and 66 watt-hours battery, giving a long battery life. It offers around 12 hours of regular use on a single charge, making it a perfect travel companion. When you need to top up your battery, the USB Type-C port supports rapid charging. The fast charging refills the battery from 0 to 50% in approximately 45 minutes. So, you can recharge the device over your lunch break, or while you're in a meeting. Speakers. HP partnered with Bang & Olufsen to pack some high-quality audio into this slim laptop. The 4-speaker array delivers clean, clear sound in both laptop and tablet mode. The Bang & Olufsen speakers sound amazing, even at total volume. The HP Audio Boost app included with the laptop allows you to create custom audio mixers. The sound is still better than many laptops that are available on the market now. Webcam. The slim bezels on Spectre X360 come with a 720p webcam, with a microphone at the top bezel. It had a physical camera shutter, and a dedicated mute button for the integrated microphone. This is helpful for virtual meetings, so that no one peeks into your office or listens to your calls. The webcam works with Windows Hello to allow facial recognition for another layer of protection. Operating system. You get preloaded Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity. Also, you get pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. HP Spectre X360 is a great long-term investment for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile workstation. Spectre X360 notebook feels premium, thanks to its extremely lightweight design. It brings portability, display quality, and processor performance for a premium price. The addition of an OLED display really adds a nice element to any visual work you do. It also has a good graphics processor, strong battery life, and a good selection of ports. It runs quietly during the heavy workload, and maintains good thermals throughout. This is a powerful machine that will easily handle most multitasks with ease. It comes with a well-balanced hardware implementation for daily use and occasional gaming. It is mainly designed to sketch, take notes, or write seamlessly and comfortably. It's an excellent pick for professionals looking for tons of style and portability at a great price. Many Windows notebooks are out in the market, but the Spectre X360 gets right on many fronts. HP Spectre X360 14's base price starts at $1,900, approximately 150,000 rupees. Specification table.